Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Safety at Home. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. And my dear students, today under the title of Read and Think, we are going to learn use of dictionary. Like we are preparing ourselves for use of dictionary. Before this in English for grade 2, I have taught you alphabetical order, how to arrange words in alphabetical order, and we learned second alphabetical order as well. Remember this concept? I hope yes. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to organize vocabulary items learned in the class according to the selected organizing principles, such as arranging words in alphabetical order and parts of speech, familiarize themselves with the dictionary in preparation for its use. So these are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah An-Nur verse 44, Allah alternates the night and the day. Indeed, in that is a lesson for those who have vision. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Allah changes night into day. It means day has its time, its place, and when it's completed, night comes. When night's span is completed, day comes. So this is an order. Every day this pattern is repeating. So it means, beta, this verse is also telling us that everything has its place, right? And in alphabets, every letter has its place. That's why we call alphabetical order what comes first and what comes after, right? So now you tell me, what is an alphabetical order? And have you seen or used a dictionary? Answer these questions to your teacher, brainstorm yourself and then come back. Yes, my dear students. So what is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order, beta, we arrange words by looking at their first and second and third and so on for their place. When it, like we look at the first letter, if first letter is different, we keep arranging them for example, like the whatever the order is in alphabets. But if first letter is same, what do? I have taught you in grade 2, remember? We look at the second alphabet and we arrange the words for second alphabet in alphabetical order. Remember? So what do? For example, this is a list of words. So all words are starting with letter B. So we'll have to look at the second letter. Whatever comes first in ABC will come first, then next, so on, right? So here, after B is A. So A comes first in ABC. So we'll write ball. What comes next? Bear. What comes next? Bill. You see, now these second letters are in order the way they come in ABC. That's why, because first letter is same, so we are arranging these words in second alphabetical order. Ball, bear, bill, black, boil, brother, butter. Right? Because A comes first, then E, I, L, O, R, U. This is how these letters are there. This is called alphabetical order. Right? And we arrange words for first and second alphabetical order. We have learnt it. So this is going to help us to use a dictionary. Have you seen a dictionary? I asked you. So dictionary tells us the meaning of different words and it looks like this. Okay, it's usually a book containing lots of words and their meanings. So there are different terms we use for dictionary. Now all of you open your book on page number 58. There are different terms I'm going to explain to you. What is guide word? So guide word is basically beta, whenever you open a dictionary, it tells you a word is written here and a word is written here. What does it mean? It means this page is starting with this word and ending on this word, right? So this range of words is mentioned by a guide word, right? The second thing is entry word. Entry word means the word you want to find out in dictionary, right? So that is called entry word. For example, here we want to find out about the meaning of this word mountain. So what dictionary tells you? This tells you part of speech. You know what this word is in grammar. It can be noun, it can be verb, whatever it is in grammar, your dictionary will tell you. It will tell you the meaning. It will also help you about pronunciation, and if there is another meaning, that will also be written here. So this is how you will find in the page of dictionary, and you will find it is a noun. Does it mean? How do we say it? Is there any other meaning? Right? So that is called pronunciation will be there, part of speech will be there, either it's noun or a verb or an adjective or adverb or pronoun, whatever. Conjunction, preposition, interjection, and its plural spellings are also mentioned there, and its definition or definitions. If there are more than one, they will be written there, right? This is how we use dictionary. So, for example, if you want to find out the meaning of this word, it will be written here. This is its pronunciation. How do we say it? Buggy. It's a noun, and its plural is by adding ies, buggies, and its meaning a small carriage pulled by a horse. This is first meaning. The second meaning is a baby carriage. The third meaning, which is a slang one, an old car. This is how better dictionary give us details, right? Are you clear with it? Okay, so let's practice this through an activity. Teacher will divide the class in groups. The students in group will highlight or underline the difficult words from lesson, page number 51. Now students will enlist, they will make a list of these difficult words and will arrange these words in first and second alphabetical order. Okay, this is the task you will do first, and then student will also write the meanings of these words with the help of a dictionary, right? So pause the video, enjoy this activity in groups, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So beta, we will learn the use of dictionary properly in grade 4, but this was just to tell you what a dictionary is and how do we use it. So we are alhamdulillah prepared for that, and it's time for your homework. You will write meanings of these words from a dictionary. So these are the words. Teachers, you may change it or you may take the same, and students will write their meaning. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to organize vocabulary items learned in the class according to selected organizing principles, such as arranging words in alphabetical order. We followed this and familiarize themselves with the dictionary in preparation for its use. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.